This is Realme Narzo 50, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So to start, open the Google search bar. At the search, type in the Fortnite APK query. Among the search results, look for either official epicgames.com website or Fortnite.com website will do just fine. So go for the web page that popped up first in your particular case. Then confirm that you would like to download the file. Then open it. Grant Google Chrome or any other browser that you use the following install unknown apps permission. Then confirm the Epic Games Store installation. After that, launch it. Then tap at the Fortnite from the menu of games. And at the Fortnite page, hit the install button. Now we will wait for it to get downloaded and installed, which will take a good minute or two. Alrighty, so as you can see, right after all necessary files gets downloaded, prior to actually installing the game, it is required that we grant Epic Games Store app the same permission we did allow Google Chrome to have, which is install unknown apps. So once you will turn on this toggle, you will be provided with the dialog window where you will need to tap at the install button. Then upon installation, just launch the Fortnite game. And in here, simply wait for it to, download the update, which is just under 7 gigabytes of size. So it will take you a good minute, or significantly more than that, but you got me. So, that will be more or less it. We highly appreciate you watching us, and bye-bye.